to stop complaining. Let the love rain. Come and let's love one another like we all are family, cause we all are family. In one side, the most side, the most side. Imagine you are asleep and the world pass you. You are down in the streets, nobody be talk to. The world full of tricks and them full of graft. Keep your love in your mind and in your heart. To lend a helping hand to someone you don't know. Cause it might be his majesty, but you won't know. Them try to trample that your love, but it still grows. So pass it on, let it flow. Them try to stop with joy, but them can't. I rest our loving we are child. To come and let we love one another like we are. Next try. Yes, due to the corona, I have to drop that. That was my single from Magnum 2011. I just want to remind everybody, say, despite of what's going on, we have to stay connected and just keep spreading love, you know? Drop the next track for me, please. Tap. What you know? Beat now? Sometime, never let them opinion no more. But when you're easy, never the time to go and look argument. But some girl misunderstand you, people don't talk to them. So when I time for cut them off, when I go cut from the stem, and they give me my car up, it not gonna be from my pen. Some girl not a soul in a them too evil, too full of themselves, sure too much of people. Yeah. Hey, money, simple. People take it for walkover. What you know? And sometimes you have to put your foot down and make them know. I was never the type to go and look argument, but some girl misunderstand you, people don't talk to them. So when I time to cut them off, when I go cut from the stem, many day my maca up it as a bit from my pen. Cause some girl not a soul in a them too evil, too full of themselves and sure too much of people. So when me a roll, man I go roll with no crow. Cause I ain't got nothing to be scared of, and I ain't got nothing to be aware of. Oh, ain't got nothing to bitch shame. Anything I say I can back it up. I wish I would have say to my face, but you probably won't. Do what you gotta do, but you probably don't. What you waiting for, cause everybody knows almost doesn't count. I wish a bitch would. 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 Listen. I wish a bitch would. Hey, hey, hey. I wish a bitch would. Me a born warrior, so I was never afraid. And when them come in me, I make sure me fully prepared. Willpower, so my fist double up in the air. Anything cross me, just make it pandy. But did I want them, but them never want. Listen from prime time, you see them here, so them got me. Some I beat up them gun man, some I throw stones, some I hope everybody can hold for them. I ain't got nothing to be scared, ain't got nothing to be aware. Oh, ain't got nothing to bitch shame. Anything I say I can back it up. I wish I would have said to my face, but you probably won't. Do what you gotta do, but you probably don't. What you waiting for, cause everybody knows almost doesn't count. Wish a bitch would. I wish a bitch would. Yeah. I wish a bitch would. How y'all doing? On a good? Tell them to stop complaining. Still love we are preaching, no? Let the love rain. Hey, hey. So come and let me love one another like we are family. Cause we all are family. The one side, the most side. The most side. Imagine you asleep and the will I pass to. You alone in the streets, nobody be talk to. The world full of tricks and it full of crap. Keep the love in your mind and in your heart. So lend a helping hand to someone you don't know. Cause it might be His Majesty, but you won't know. Them type of jump that your love, but it still grows. So pass it on and let it flow. Them try to stop for joy, but them can't. Or else the loving we are cha. Come and let's love one another like we all are family. Cause we all are family in one's eyesight. The Most High Jah. Present somebody love for the youths them. Don't mistreat, mislead and abuse them. Remember say I Selassie I. And if you don't love them, you are gonna lose them. And love but it still grows. So pass it on and let it flow. Come and let's love one another like we all are family. Cause we all are family. Then one guy's side, the Most High Jah. The Most High Jah. Play that song. Set the mood for me, full of different energy. I'm loving other music sound. Yes, we do, man, them I need them I pray. Oh yeah, give me a little one drop. Make the bass line roll on. Me love how the rhythm goes on. Me I'm a man rock. Give me one drop, make the bass line roll out. I make we double up and couple up and all our vibes non-stop. Oh, I know, I have the way you feel it in my soul. Oh, I know, I love the way this feels. So give the little one drop, make the bass line roll and catch. Me love how the rhythm just a chat. Me am a man a rock. Give the little one drop, make the bass line roll and I make we double up and all our vibes non-stop. Yeah. One drop of me away. Give me a little one drop, yeah. It'll be a slide, rock and cut. Couple up and all our vibes.
Ready? Yeah, I'm here inside a Sandz Bar and Grill with the big #1 winner for 2011 Magnum Kings and Queens, Neoma, inside the building. How you doing, sweetie?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. I just saw you ripped up inside the building. Let everybody that's tuning in right now know a little bit more about you and what your music is all about.
Yeah, my music is all about like just good vibes, reggae vibes, It's all Jamaican, roots reggae. Sometimes I want to mix it up and get a little bit of dancehall flavor or pop flavor, whatever. I just love good music.
Tell them what your music is all about, sweetie.
My music is all about good reggae vibes. Dancehall mixed with pop, mixed with hip hop. I just love good music, so my music is about feeling good, pretty much.
Well, you did a tremendous job a while ago inside of Sandz Bar and Grill. What do you got coming up now?
I have an EP coming up. I don't want to say too much about it because I haven't done music in 8 years, so it's a big surprise, and I just want to blow people away once I put it out there. So look out for my EP. Just look out.
Look out for the EP, people, when it drops. Make sure to go check her out. Her name is Neoma inside the building. Tell them a little bit about your social media, how they can follow you on Instagram and all that stuff.
Yeah, well, you guys can follow me at The Real Neoma on Instagram, Mega Neoma on YouTube, and that's pretty much it for me on social media.
Definitely go check her out on Instagram. Check out and see what going on. Thank you so much for passing through Sandz Bar and Grill, and we wish you nothing but the best, all right?
Thank you guys for having me. I love it here.